how to create a successful Instagram brand ambassador program. So let's get right into it. So here are a few things you need to know. Creating a successful Instagram brand ambassador program can significantly boost your brand's visibility and credibility. Here's a step-to-step guide to help you build an effective program. Number 1, define your program goals. What do you want to achieve? Increase brand awareness, drive sales, generate user-generated content, UGC, build a community, improve brand credibility. What do you want to achieve? Set measurable objectives. Define KPIs, that is, key performance indicators, to track your program's success. Number 2, identify your ideal brand ambassador. Relevance. Ensure their values align with your brand. Their audience should match your target demographic. Authenticity. Look for individuals who genuinely love your brand. Their content should be authentic and engaging. Engagement. Prioritize ambassadors with high engagement rates. They should have an active and responsive audience. Reach. Consider both micro-influencers and macro-influencers. Micro-influencers often have highly engaged niche audience. Passion. They should be passionate about your product or service. Number 3, recruit and onboard ambassadors. Recruitment method. Reach out to existing customers who are active on Instagram. Use hashtags to find potential ambassadors. Run contests or giveaways to attract applications. Use influencer marketing platforms. Application process. Create an application form to gather essential information. Ask about their Instagram presence, audience demographic, and content style. Onboarding. Provide ambassadors with clear guidelines and expectations. Offer training and resources to help them create effective content. Provide them with product or service to promote. Number 4, establish clear guidelines and expectations. Content requirements. Specify the type of content you expect, e.g. photos, videos, stories. Provide guidelines on brand messaging and hashtags. Posting frequency. Define how often ambassadors should post about your brand. Disclosure. Ensure ambassadors comply with FTC guidelines and disclose sponsored content. Reporting. Establish a system for tracking ambassador performance. Code of conduct. Create a document that states what is and is not acceptable. Number 5. Provide incentives and rewards. Product or service discounts. Offer exclusive discounts or free products. Commission or affiliates programs. Provide a commission for sales generation by their referrals. Exclusive events or experiences. Invite ambassadors to exclusive events or product launches. Recognition and appreciation. Feature ambassadors on your brand's social media channels. Publicly acknowledge their contributions. Number 6, track and measure performance. Key metrics. Reach, engagement, website traffic, sales conversions, and brand mentions. Tools. Use Instagram Insights, Google Analytics, and influencer marketing platforms. Regular reporting. Provide regular reports to ambassadors on their performance. Use this data to refine your program. Number 7, build a community. You can start by creating a private group. Establish a private group or ambassadors to connect and share ideas. Host regular check-ins. Schedule regular check-ins to provide feedback and support. Encourage collaborations. Facilitate collaborations between ambassadors. Key considerations. Authenticity is crucial. Focus on building genuine relationship with your ambassadors. Clear communication. Maintain open and transparent communication throughout the program. Don't hide anything. Flexibility. Be prepared to adapt your program based on feedback and performance data. By following these guidelines, you can create a successful Instagram brand ambassador program that drives results and strengthens your brand. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.